Hello everyone, Ranjit this side. Like in the previous video, we created a function for to find the outliers in the time series data. In this video also we will do something similar, but we will use Hampel filter to find the outliers. Hampel filter is again an algorithm, I would say, to find the outliers in the time series data. Instead of rolling window that we did in the previous video here, it will be the sliding window so of size 2x. So for each sliding window, the algorithm will be calculating the standard deviation or the median of the sliding window. And like we did in the previous video, the outliers will be considered if the return is greater than the upper bound, and if the and it will be considered again outlier if the return is lower than the lower bound. Right, so let's start this. Okay, import by finance as by finance, then from skTime. So make sure that you install skTime. What is skTime? Again, let me just Google it to give you a more so basically, as per the documentation of skTime, it provides a unified framework for multiple time series machine learning tasks. So, okay, so skTime basically allows you to run multiple tasks together on time series data, right? So, skTime dot transformations dot series dot outlier detection as sorry import Hampel filter. Let's run this. Okay, cool. It works. Okay, so data frame is equal to yfinance dot download. Let me just copy the whatever we did in the previous video. Where is it? Yeah, this one. And then we again calculated percentage change. Now let's calculate Hampel detector. So Hampel filter, sorry, let me just give you quick name. Hampel filter is equal to Windows length 10, because see we are doing the window sliding over here instead of window rolling, and then we will be calculating the median and standard deviation. For that we also call the standard deviation as median absolute, right? Return bool is equal to 2. I will tell you what I'm doing. Let me just complete this. Now df outliers is equal to Hampel filter dot fit transform df, and then we are taking adjusted close. Let's run this. Perfect. Now what we did in the previous video, again we'll do the same for the graph part, right? So we did not calculate it based on returns right now, so I'll just come on to that. Right, subplots, and then df dx. We are creating the adjusted close plot first, and then what we did over here, let me just copy this. I do not want to write the whole code again. So instead of outlier, we already have outliers, sorry. And then instead of return, it will be adjusted close. I think this should work. And then again, write this one, and again plot dot show. Let's see. Outlier. So outliers. It's okay. Okay, so again we have couple of outliers. Obviously, it will be there, right? So yeah. So what we did something similar to what we did in the rolling statistics, and then here we took the window length as 10. So the window 10 is basically 5 before the median and after, like, so we are splitting the window into 5 each from the data. So instead of rolling, we are sliding the windows, right? And then we are using or initiating the Hampel filter, and then we are using the fit transform on the adjusted close data, right? So so it returns basically the return as a boolean, which basically tells whether there is a outlier or not, and it returns true. So yeah, this is how you use a Hampel filter to know the outlier in the time series data. Maybe we can use the Hampel filter in the future videos as well when we are forecasting the data on the time series. Thank you so much. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Great day.